Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim, back again with another great amazing graphics video. Well, the video of today, it's all about photo manipulation. So it's just a simple, not that much concentrated, which I mean you may blow your mind off and we can take a bunch of hours. It's just a simple manipulation whereby you can just get started. And I think to my own kind of aspect, this will just give you like a brief or like a go ahead to your certain designs which you want to make manipulation, but in a different kind of aspect. But I think it's just get you there. So for the info, let us just get started. We are actually inside Photoshop right now. As you can see, guys, I got my coffee cup there, so you guys know. But okay, never mind. Let us just zoom in inside our couple of coffee, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create rounded selection. So either use a rectangular marquee, but you have just to be precisely proportion with your size. So up to there we have our proportion size. Then what's going to happen is just that we're going to duplicate that. Now press just Ctrl+J, you have a duplication there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my picture. So I have just another kind of picture there. So let me just go all the way to download here. So open the picture, it will open in another new documentation. I'm going to just do Control A, Control C, Control D, Control A for selecting all, Control C for copy, then Control D for deselect, then go back to our main and we say Control+V. Now you can just see we have the space there, so we have just to adjust this. Now I'm just gonna shrink it up to here, down here. I think here this is gonna be a perfect fit up to there. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, zoom in up to there. Then I'm gonna say Ctrl+Alt+G to create that kind of clipping mask. So I did a clipping mask there, which is something which is so good. But you can see on our cap here, we're supposed to have some edges, like some refined edges. Now how can we fix that? Well, that's quite easy. Now just duplicate that, we have that on there. Now just do this way, refine up to here, somewhere here. Now we're gonna just make some selection here again, up to here, somewhere here. Now refine it. Now is that enough? No. Ctrl+D for deselecting. Now keep it somewhere here, just steady there. Now up to what's happening? Let me just increase it up to here. So let me just keep it somewhere here again. Yeah, that's refined, is not bad. So let me just say Ctrl+J for duplicating, Ctrl+J. Now after that, let's just delete this layer. Now we have our refine. Now if I turn it off, you see there's no any difference there. But if I increase it and Ctrl+T and I adjust it up to here, you can see there's we're having this kind of subject. Now it's kind of like loading or something. It's refreshing. So let me just keep it somewhere there. Now we have our picture here. Let me just adjust it. Okay, now if I just do this way, you can see it created something like this, which is quite great. Now I'm going to go to filter, then I'm saying blur, then give me some Gaussian blur. Now I'm gonna add some Gaussian blur, a lot of Gaussian blur up to here. So I have just to zoom out here and see my subject. There it is. Now I just have to just do this way up to there. You can see we made some refine. If I turn this off, you can see there's a change there. Now that kind of change, you have just to drag it down. Now after dragging it down, we made a mask out of it, right? Now let us just try adjusting it. I'll bring it even somewhere here. I just keep it somewhere here. hope you guys enjoyed on this tutorial, and this is just like pushing you there to understand how photo manipulation looks like. It's just that you have just to get an idea whereby you just push it through, and this sparks me a lot because I saw it on an Instagram page and I was like, I should just share with you guys some kind of tutorial of photo manipulation, but the easiest one which can get you there. So thank you guys for watching. You love these videos today, make sure you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim112, and consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It would be so amazing because we're about to hit that 3,000 subscribers, which I think it's very impressive. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.